What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're going to go over Arcblock, which is up 14.2% today at $1.64. We have a $161 million market cap, 98 million coins in circulation out of 186 million, which is awesome. It doesn't have billions of coins, doesn't have hundreds of millions of coins. It pretty much has, $186 million, as you can see. All-time high in this coin was 24 days ago, so we did hit an all-time high recently. All-time low was 4 years ago at 0.4. This coin is currently available on the following exchanges: Coinbase, Gate.io, BitGate, LA Token, and BitCub. Never heard of BitCub before. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on ABT. All right, Arcblock to the effing moon, man. You have been in a massive consolidation period going all the way back to July of 2019. Once you broke below 25 cents, 26, 25 cents, you didn't break it. You didn't break it again until January 2024. So 5 years of consolidation. Absolutely insane. Congratulations on the breakout. So we're at $1.64 right now. Currently, we did put in a new all-time high. If we draw a horizontal line at our prior all-time high, it was right here. Now we're not back over it yet. We only got one candle above it. We tried to hold that all-time high of support, and then we fell below it again. But from what I'm looking at here, I do think we are going to be taking out this high at around $2 plus, and continuing higher. If we look at the day chart here, the day chart's MACD is about ready to flip bullish. Every single day you get a lighter red candle means you're more bullish, less bearish. So we got a larger, or our bearish is starting to shrink down. If we look at our RSI starting to find its way back up. Definitely looks like we found a bottom there. If we draw the downtrend resistance area, that does give us a lot more room to run up on the RSI to around 70. I would be keeping an eye on that 70. And then WTX does look reset. You're pretty much reset when you go to 0. We're currently at -12 and it's starting to roll over. So I would be keeping an eye on this general price range right here, because if we start rallying back to the upside and we break $2, Arcblock's going to start going pretty much straight up like it did the last couple times. Now, if you look at the downtrend resistance area that we've been messing with since February 24th on the day chart here, actually I'm going to go with 4 hours so we have more candles. It does look like we are trying to break out of it finally. We haven't broke out of it yet. We currently are smacked right into it. We're just above it right now. But if we get out of this downtrend, man, that's going to be a huge sign of a reversal. For example, it happened right here. You can see we broke out of that downtrend. We started going parabolic, and I think it also happened down here. Yeah, you can see this downtrend right here. We broke out of this downtrend right here, and then we started going absolutely parabolic as well. So we're on the cusp of something like that. It's happened the last several times. So I'd be keeping an eye on approximately, what are we at, 163. I'd be keeping an eye on 170. We get over 170, Arcblock's would be taking off again and probably put it in a new all-time high. Indicators look really good, guys. We're not overbought or anything like that. The indicators are completely reset. The MACD is heading towards a bullish crossover. If we draw our fibs from the all-time high, or from the high to the low right here, we're gonna draw two different fib levels for you guys. We're gonna go from the high here to the low here. What we currently want to overtake is that, obviously, that one area up here at around $2.40. Worst case scenario is heading back down to 786. I don't think that's the play whatsoever. I think what we need to focus on here is the short-term fib. The short-term fib is going to be the storyteller, guys. So the short-term fib, what we're currently seeing is support at the 382. We have that 618 resistance area here at $1.75. That 618 has suppressed us pretty much the entire month of March. So we have not been able to get above that 618 the entire month of March. We've wicked above it, but never really ran above that 618. So I would have to assume once we get above that 618 at $1.70, that's when Arcblock will start seeing a decent sized run, probably up to that 1236 at about $2.85 for the next rally to the upside. I love the tokenomics on this too, man. Only $161 million, and they don't have multi-millions. They don't have several billions. They don't have trillions. They only have 186 million coins, guys. So it's a super limited supply and demand at its prime right now, right? So the less supply, the higher it can go. And this thing only being 100 or $1.49 right now, if we actually draw from the high to the low on the day chart, let's look at the 1618 and see what's going on. So this high to this low right here, the 1618 is all the way up here to around $20. So I would not knock that 1618. I would write that down, dude. It does look like $21 could be a top or an all-time high here for ABT, which from where we're currently at is approximately another 13 to 14x, which is insane. So I think Arcblock, we're definitely in the bull run phase, but we're not in the parabolic bull run phase yet, but we're getting pretty dang close. So keep an eye on that breakout above $1.70. We break out above $1.70, we're going to the moon. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if you have any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.